Hi, I'm Tammy Glam, Queen of DIY, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. And today I'm going to be showing you how to paint a table. This is my table. So if you want to see what we're going to do and how we're going to paint this table, you know what to do. Stay tuned. We're going to move all of this decor, and we got several projects going on today, but we're going to get all of this moved so we can get the table. And now that our table is clean, we're going to start our preparation by prepping the table so we can start getting it painted. And our paint is the Color Place Ultra, and I'm using the white flat, and I purchased this paint from Walmart. This one I actually purchased, but I also have several that came through a sponsorship. So we're just going to open up the can, and I've already shaken the can and mixed the paint, and it is one of the colors that I actually use to paint my living room with. And here's my brush, and I'm just going to let you see as we first put on a coat of paint what it's going to transform this table to. Now look at that white going on there. That is so gorgeous to me. Drop me a comment if you think you would like the black better, or if you like it in the direction that I'm taking it. And this is what the trim of the legs is looking like. And I'm just going to show you this because this table is still oversized. I'm going to let you see what it looks like so we can actually speed this process up. But this is where I am, and we're finna get project dining room table underway. This is our progress thus far, and I have that insert painted, and as you can see, I'm not actually painting where my table fastens together with the clamps. I don't want to paint that, but we're going to come back and add another coat. But this is our progress thus far. All right, this is my progress on coat 1. We're going to do coat number 2, and it's looking like coat 2 may finalize it all, but we're just going to start the second coat. And this is the table from all 3 angles, and it looks like that. As these whites are gorgeous. Make sure too you come back in a couple of days to see the update with the chairs as well, because it's going to be separate from the table. And this portion of the video is sponsored by Monvict. Now Monvict is a seller on Amazon, and they actually offer this hot glue gun, and this Monvict hot glue gun is a 80 and a 120 watt, and it came packaged like this. It was packaged very well, and it is a base standing glue gun as well. You can also use it cordless style. It's not an actual cordless glue gun, but it can be used cordless. If you plug it up, then unplug it to do certain projects, but you'll have to plug it back in. And these items came on along with the package, the instructions. It also came with 12 medium glue sticks and also some finger cots as well. So this was in the package. So I'm going to drop Monvict's link, website link, and the Amazon link down in my description box. But what I wanted to show you was a DIY that I'm going to create with using this glue gun, and you plug it in the back. So I'm going to actually plug it up. Now what Monvict does, and this glue gun does, is, like I said, is a base stand up. Comparing with other glue guns and designs patent with hot glue guns with built-in unique stand up bases that keep your hot glue gun from tipping over, is an ideal choice for all hot glue gun users, making working with it very easy and never worrying about you getting burned. It also is very easy to use. It comes with 4 size hot glue sticks, and all you do is just plug it in, switch your temperature, whether you want it 80 watts or 120 watts, and then it actually heated up in about 1 minute. And it wasn't a full minute, it heated up very quickly. So it does have a rapid heat up system. And also this dual power hot glue gun can still be switched to whatever your wattage, whether you want the 80 or the 120. Now the residual heat and pressure can help the glue gun continue to work even when it's off, because I unplugged it and worked with it, and I'm telling you, it is a very magnificent product. Now this glue gun does not use the glue sticks, it only uses the 4 size, and it is also UL patent, and it has a ergonomic design, and the stream handle make it comfortable to grip. I actually like the gripping system of this gun compared to any other glue gun that I have ever used. Now this hot glue gun with the dual setting is also lightweight. It can do heavy duty jobs, because I'm letting you see me do this vase DIY here, but I have used it in several other projects, trying out the glue gun before I actually came back and added this insert in. And again, it comes equipped with the 12 premium hot glue gun sticks. It also has the 3 silicone finger protectors two, that will actually protect your fingers. And two, if you're looking to partner, Monvict is actually offering right now partnerships or sponsorships for someone if you would like to try the glue gun. I'm going to drop that down in the description box. Now what I'm doing, I'm just gluing some flower mesh onto this vase, and like I say, the glue is very hot. I promise you, you will love this glue gun. If I had to rate this gun on a scale of 1 to 10, my honest rating, I would rate this glue gun as a 25. I love it. So make sure you check out Monvict. I'm dropping their website information and their Amazon link as well. And that concludes this DIY. Now back to the painting, and we're going to hurry up and finalize this painting of this table. I'm actually adding in my second coat, and as you can see, her color is shining through perfectly. And again, I'm putting that final coat on the top of the table, and as you can see, as we roll that white in, how it is transforming this table. Now we're getting ready to seal the table, and I'm using mini wax polycrylic, and this polycrylic is actually in clear gloss. But what all I'm going to do is I'm going to completely cover the table. And normally when I use polyacrylic, with this version I add 3 to 4 coats, just enough of coats to seal in that color. Now if you use the triple thick polyacrylic, most of the times you can even get by with 1 coat, but we're going to go ahead and coat this table to seal it, and I'm going to let you see how I do that as well. And this is that dried first coat, and I'm going to let you look and see before we actually apply coat number 2 of this polyacrylic. Now we're starting coat 2, and I'm going to let you see me do some of coat 2, and we're going to follow coat 2 with coat 3 till we get this project finished. Now this is coat 3, has been applied and dried, and I'm letting you see a close-up look of what it looks like. And I'm telling you guys, this table is gorgeous. I will move the legs. I still had one little minor wet spot on each leg by the bottom, but we're going to take those off. This is the full completed dried project. I hope you like this, and this is just an easy idea. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed, and always stay positive. Please don't forget to check out Monvict hot glue gun. You will be amazed. Have a blessed and wonderful day.